You might be thinking of ways to make the most of your time online, and sometimes it can involve multitasking. You may start with writing an email, then you toggle to another tab to grab a link. And the next thing you know, you've lost your focus. So how can Microsoft Edge help you strike the right balance between focus and function? We're excited to let you know about the new Sidebar in Microsoft Edge. It helps you get more done without losing your flow. The new Sidebar lets you access tools and features side by side within your browser. Search a page you're viewing, do quick math without opening another tab, and there are a ton of other ways to help you be more productive without losing your place as you browse. Let's introduce you to the current lineup, and there's Search, Discover, Tools, Games, Office, and Outlook. Office gives you convenient access to all your productivity apps. It makes it easier to search your files right from the sidebar. You can see the most recent files you've been using, and even filter depending on the app that you want to use. If you're already signed into Microsoft Edge, there are no extra steps required to use Office. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can get started for free right within the sidebar. Outlook lets you check your inbox and calendar. You don't even have to leave the page you're on. It's even better when you need to reference content in your browser at the same time as your Outlook. Say you're planning a company retreat. You can check travel options next to your calendar. If you want input from your coworkers, you can send an email while toggling between tabs, and voila, bon voyage. Explore more with Discover. Discover provides more relevant information about the web page you're on. Click on the Discover button and you'll get facts, articles, and videos. You'll find more knowledge and inspiration about what you're looking for at a quick glance. For example, have you ever found a recipe in a blog that you're really excited about? You go to check to see if you have the ingredients to make it, and then you find yourself scrolling all the way down to the bottom of the page. With Discover, skip scrolling and find the information you need. Discover content like similar recipes, related blogs, and cooking videos. There's also one-click access to fun. If you like playing games, take a break and access the games menu. You can click on the games icon and a whole bunch of free-to-play casual arcade games will come up for your choosing. Use Tools for quick help without navigating away. If you're flipping between tabs to convert units and do quick math, Tools can help you maintain focus. They're ready to use without cluttering your browser window. You can find an internet speed test that lets you diagnose your connection if a site seems to be loading slowly. Sidebar is really all your own. To customize your sidebar, simply click the plus button and you can add and remove features. If you want it out of the way, you can hide it with a click of a single button at the bottom of the sidebar. If you don't see the sidebar, you can enable it by clicking the settings and more ... then show sidebar. Look for a live demo coming soon. Thank you for joining us for this week's Tech. I hope that you got great value from this week's content. Remember to like and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.